15 Best Vegetarian Dinner Recipes. Veggie Lover Dinner Recipes. Find here rundown of 15 best vegan supper plans from Makhani Paneer Biryani, Masala Bindi, Vegan Burritos, Veggie Lover Ko Sui to Dal. Makhani and a lot more with key fixings and how to make process. 15 mouth-watering vegetarian recipes to try at home. 1 Makhani Paneer Biryani layered with rice and splashed in a rich sauce. This mouth-watering Makhani Paneer Biryani is your new go-to top choice. A formula that is certain to fulfill veggie lovers and meat sweethearts the same. 2 Hot yellow curry with vegetables. Impress your visitors. No closure with this ambrosial Thai yellow curry, seasoned with galangal and lemongrass. Toss in some broccoli, carrots, eggplant, and you will not have a clue about what's missing. 3 Masala Bindi. Reach foodie paradise in a jiffy with this speedy and simple Masala Bindi formula. So hot, so heavenly, you'll need to make this evening. Basically, pair this with steaming hot parathats and you'll be all set. 4 Pommes gratin loaded with cream and seasoned with thyme. Our rich potato gratin makes certain to fulfill any sense of taste. Cheddar loans additional richness and an inconspicuous messy tang to this debauched dish. 5 Veggie Lover Burritos. Skip the standard and prepare our scrumptious Mexican burritos this evening. Loaded with kidney beans and a messy blend. Simply serve the tortillas with a hair-raising salsa and you're all set. So intriguing and heavenly, your family will not figure they're solid. 6 Veggie Lover Nargisi Kofta. Fried brilliant and simply heavenly. Tidy up this ravishing formula with your cherished curry or eat with no guarantees. This formula is a show stealer. 7 Penne la Vodka. With its compelling character and a sprinkle of vodka, this velvety pasta dish will satisfy everybody at the table consistently. Flavorful, ameliorating and tremendously heavenly. 8 Dum Paneer Kali Mirch. This paneer cooked on dum is yum. Assuming that you're getting on board with the low-calorie fleeting trend, you can even bar the cream and exceed all expectations way. This ambrosial curry lit up with dark pepper makes certain to satisfy everybody during supper, in addition to the veggie lovers. 9 Veggie Lover Ko Sui. Garnish this one-pot feast with singed garlic, onion, peanuts, the works. Also with a liberal crush of lime, you'll have this coconut Burmese delicacy overflowing with legitimate flavors in a matter of moments. 10 Matar Ka Dolma. A good vegan formula even meat eaters will cherish. Green peas tempered with flavors and loaded with masalas. Yum. 11 Satrangi Biryani. Thinking how the substantial delicacy could taste similarly as incredible in a veggie lover symbol? You have arrived at the perfect spot. The nutritious and healthy dinner loaded with beetroot, zucchini, carrot, chime pepper, French beans, mint, and a large group of sweet-smelling flavors is a treat to the spirit. This biryani is cooked gradually in an earth pot which makes the rice absorb every one of the kinds of the veggies and flavors. 12 Dal Makhani. There should be a motivation behind why Dal Makhani one of the most hot-selling thing in each vegan eatery. The rich and liberal enjoyment just never disappoints. With this formula you can cook the dish flawlessly in your own home. Made with the integrity of dark urad dal, heart-dissolving masalas, and tons of cream. This heavenly formula is should attempt. 13 Singhade Ki Kati. The alleviating curry is a Vrat top pick. Simple to make and brilliant, is tempered with red chilies and curry leaves. The packetas are made with water chestnut, Singhade ka eata, and Sent ha namak. You can group the kadi with samak shawal for a healthy encounter. 14 Blend veg and creamy spinach curry. This velvety spinach curry is brimming with solid and invulnerability helping vegetables. It is made with flavors like cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri bean stew powder and stacked with vegetables like ringer pepper, broccoli, mushrooms, yams. 15 Palak Dal Khikdi. Palak Dal Khikdi is a simple, sound, and very fast formula loaded down with supplements, and that too without thinking twice about the taste. Our 15 best veggie lover supper plans make certain to knock your socks off, from biryani to kosui. These dishes will make them faint, and are intended to supplement your rushed life. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.